Well, as you can see, we found us a spot that we're going to camp for tonight. We're in the LBL for the next tonight and tomorrow night. So we found this spot where we're setting up above the water. Well, we've got our tent set up, chairs are set up. We're gonna sit here and do a little relaxing. So we'll be back with you when we fire that fire pit up and cook us some hamburgers. In the morning I can use my that BioLite camp stove too, and I'll use that to boil my water and to make me some coffee in the morning. So that's why I was busting me up some kindling, plus to help get that started tonight. But I may not have to have any help getting that started because we're going to grill with charcoal on it, and then I'll just use the coals in that to start my fire. Just fired the BioLite fire pit up. We're getting ready to have some hamburgers, and so I'm letting the charcoal, I'm going to use charcoal, and then once it's done, then let it down and put wood on it for a campfire. We're going to turn the fan on now. Well, this is the first time I've ever had pour over coffee, and we're eating our breakfast out here by the lake. Life is good. Well, we've got our camp shut down. You can see everything's folded up, picked up. You see our trash, leaving no trace behind us, all of our trash. It was a shame yesterday as Christy and I was driving around looking at camping spots, and just the trash and the bottles and just stuff that was left behind by people. And you know, we want this freedom and this right to get out and do this. We don't need to be trashing the places out because that could get us shut down and kicked out. And Christy and I are going to get out today, drive some back roads and things like that. Guys, this is Saturday night. This is where we're going to camp for tonight. This is a real primitive place. Possibly won't have any company back here tonight. Where we're at, we're a pretty good ways off of the road. But what we're going to do is fulfill a dream that Christy and I had back last year. We came down here with the TRD Pro. Before we even had the tent, we were talking about a rooftop tent, a bed top tent. Didn't have one, wasn't for sure if we was going to get one, and I said if I get one, I want to camp right down there on the water. Well, guys, there we are. That's a postcard right there. Isn't that beautiful? CVT Tent, TRD Pro. Guys, we're going to relax from here on, heading home tomorrow. This is all she wrote. Y'all have a blessed evening.